Thank you for tuning in to Last Breath TV's Throwback Thursday. This is where we show off all of our favorite whitetail, turkey, hand fishing, antelope, mule deer, and bear hunting episodes from the past. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notifications so that way you never miss an episode.
Spring is here, and that means one thing for us, turkey season. First season is up to bat, but before that we have youth. I was fortunate enough that I got to take Chase Olson out on his very first turkey hunt and got him his first tom.
You ever been filmed before?
No.
Oh man. If you even fart, I'm getting it on film. Yep, I see him. Okay. Don't move. Nope, don't move at all. He's gonna come in. You're doing good. Just stay still. He's gonna come right into the decoys. He's coming right into the decoys, yep. Okay. Okay, just stay still. Okay, now lift your gun up. Get it up. Go and lift it up. Good job. Put it on him. If you see his head, you can shoot him. Okay, it's not a good shot. Just wait. He's not going anywhere. Stay calm. Yep, you're doing great. Okay, you can take your safety off. Yep. Just breathe. Can you see his head? Okay, just wait. Okay. If he sticks his head up and you got a really good shot, you can go ahead and take it. Nice shot. Good job, buddy. Good job. All right, go get him, man. Yep. Let's go get him. Yep. Yeah.
That is your turkey spear. And then we'll take his spurs off. So now I'm through and it's completely detached. I'm just kind of working it. You can hear it scratching those feathers, so I'll show you right there. Now we're through. So when you pull this out, here is the fan. We take that, we lay him back down, and we just kind of go like this. So there's our first fan. And that one won't take hardly any salt. And then here's your second one. You see that, right? Just take my fillet knife in and you're just kind of keeping it flat. And you're getting just enough skin to hold those feathers in. And then you pull that out. So, put your finger in there and you can just tear it. And then you don't ruin any meat. So, just take that down. Here to work. So there is your turkey breast. It's right here. So you see that, Chase? Mm-hmm. This left one, you want to do the right one? Sure. Okay. So you make an incision here. And you see it just kind of comes. Now there's a little knob here, so you just let the knife do the work. And then you just kind of, like I said, let the knife do the work. You just kind of keep pressure against the inside of it there. Open up your bag, partner. So you can take that home and rinse it off, but other than that, it's pretty good. Not bad. Yeah, it's
We just got out here to roost some birds for our first season in Illinois, which starts tomorrow, Monday. And Garrett and I both have a tag for this season, and we just saw some turkeys, so it's a good sign.
And then I do the quarter strut, Jake.
Timmy!
Yes.
Timmy! So it's first day of first season in Illinois, and we sat up this morning and saw Tom about 100 yards away, but he didn't come into the decoys. He just kind of sauntered off, and then pretty much all the birds shut up after that. So we moved to a different property that we have permission on, and we just set the decoys up, and now we're going to start just doing a couple calls to see if they respond, and then go from there. So this year I had first season. We went from one farm to the next and got skunked. Then we decided to go in the timber, bumped a bunch of turkeys, and kind of got a little disheartened by that. But then we heard a tom hammer right off the bat as soon as we got further into the timber. And I said, should we set the decoys up? And Garrett said, no, he's close enough. No, I'm going to have to swing clear around.
Good shot. Very good. Very good. That's making lemonade out of lemon.
Okay, so let's just run through a quick play-by-play of how this all went down. So first of all, we get in the timber and we start to hear a tom gobble. We come up here to this hedgerow right here, and Garrett is pretty much set up right where the tripod is, and I'm set up to his right. And this tom, like I said, is coming in quickly. We can hear him gobbling. I can tell it looks like he's gonna take the path that we want him to, and then my heart kind of sinks because he goes left. So that means, as you can see, there's a lot more going on to the left here. So I can't see him anymore. Garrett is on him now with the camera and can see him, and he's getting closer. So what we decided to do is I needed to stand up, swing, and shoot. So that's exactly what I did. Usually I'm a little nervous about that kind of rush shot, but this red dot scope from Nikon, the Spur, was like so much confidence came from this when I had to take that shot, because it was pretty much right on his head, and pulled the trigger and he was done.
Walking in on a farm that got permission to hunt. Logan and I both have first season tags, and I'm gonna watch from where I think the roost is, about 600-700 yards away. And hopefully I can film them flying into the roost. And if not, hopefully I can hear them. So it's kind of windy, but not too bad. See what we can do. Just gonna enjoy this beautiful sunset and see if there's any turkeys out here still. There was a week ago, a whole pile. So, over in this bottom, I think the turkeys should be roosting right over here. And I was hoping that they would come in off of this cornfield right here, come down and go to roost.
We're off to a great start. Logan had an amazing hunt, shot a great bird, a little unorthodox, but still we got the job done. It is the second morning of first season, and things did not pan out off of the roost, so we're trying to slowly work our way through this farm to see if we can strike a bird up. We eventually get to the far side, huge valley, and we have a tom goblin to our right and another one kind of behind us. And Logan and I are literally sitting next to an oak tree trying to figure out what we're going to do, what our plan is. And a tom pops out across the valley. And we're pretty much out in the open. But with him having a hen there and putting on a show, I decide to make a move. I take the fan, I take the shotgun, and down the valley I go, and I slowly work my way up. And as soon as he sees my fan, it's on, and I give him a face full of fives.
Oh, yes. Yes. All right. Logan and I were set up over there. We weren't even set up. We were just trying to strike some birds up. But there were turkeys over here, right on this ridge. And then a tom popped out of this pines, came in here, started strutting, and the hen went straight to him. You can see the lay of the land. I told Logan I'm going to get him. I crawled up this hill. He saw me, and look at this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 steps.
If you like listening to hunting stories as much as watching them, then check out our podcast. The Last Breath Huntcast is available on iTunes, Spotify, and all other major podcast platforms.